StarTech.com's HDMI Video Capture Cards and external USB capture adapters allow IT pros to capture videos up to 4K, with our PEX HD Cap 4K card supporting up to 4K 60Hz with HDR. Ideal for recording live streaming training presentations, keynotes, Zoom or Teams conference calls, educational lectures, and camera feeds. Our HDMI capture devices encode captured video in H.264 and work with all major third-party capture or streaming software like OBS. Many of our external capture adapters feature USB video class, known as UVC. UVC is a video capture standard that is natively supported in macOS, Windows, and Linux for a driverless plug-and-play setup. Models like our 4K 30 HDMI capture and UVC HD cap include both a USB-A and USB-C 3.0 cable for connection to Type-C, Thunderbolt 3, or Thunderbolt 4 ports for greater compatibility. Our PEX HD Cap 4K can record at 4K 60Hz, capture 2-channel 16-bit audio, supports HDR10, and also comes with a low-profile bracket to fit into low-profile systems and workstations. This card, as well as our UVC HD cap, include an HDMI pass-through port for viewing the video source on a separate display while simultaneously recording the video input. Our UVC HD cap model also includes a 3.5mm jack to capture voice or audio from a separate source. All of our external capture devices are HDCP compliant and will not capture protected content like Blu-rays. They are all bus-powered and include USB host cables, and many feature durable aluminum chassis. As the IT professional's choice for over 35 years, our HDMI video capture cards and external USB capture adapters are backed by a 2-year warranty and have lifetime technical support.